friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw horror Clukr from Incredibox Sprunki. So first let's get started in the top, and we're going to start by curving this line up and then out on the left. And then we're going to leave a gap coming across on the right and replicating that. Now from that point on the side, we're going to arch this line down, doing the same thing on the side. And then in the middle, we're just going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Let's draw on the plate on the top. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line out, bringing this underneath in towards the middle. And then we'll do the same on the right, lining that up at the same height, bringing that out. And then we're just going to blend that in together on the bottom. Now moving underneath for our eyes, we're going to draw in a circle on the left. And then we're going to leave a small gap and we're going to replicate that over on the right. Now in the middle, we're going to draw in another circle, curving this line around and then up. Now for the rest of the face, in the center, we're going to draw in a straight line. We're going to curve this line up and out on both sides. Now from that corner, we're going to curve this line in towards our eye on the top. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom by arching this line all the way around and then in towards the middle. Now for the mouth coming underneath, we're going to draw in a small curved line from left to right. And then on the top, we're going to arch this line up and then back down on the right. For the teeth on the bottom, we're going to draw in two diagonal lines that come up. And then again, just drawing in another curved line from left to right. Now let's draw in the blood splatter coming underneath the eyes. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around, up, bringing this line back down, up, back down and across. On the right, arching this line down and then up. And then again, bringing this line down and across. Now in the middle, just curving this line down and then back up on the right. And then now for the body on both sides, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out and we're going to end that at the same height. And then now from here, just closing this off on the bottom with a straight line from left to right. And that is it. That's how you draw horror Clukr from Incredibox Sprunki. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all in the next one.